So, talking about sardines, I have seen here a diversity in morphology also. Smallest of the sardine in this sample to the large ones like this. You can see across the beautiful this one. There is a rainbow sardine also, like a rainbow trout, which we don't have here. This is a typical oil sardine, rich in omega-3 and omega-6 acid, but omega-3 are beneficial to us. It's a beautiful fish. I really love this fish. I have already included a series on what is known as the Atlantic herring, we call it. Yesterday I have Pedway. I have given a series of videos on Pedway, and now its cousin Talle are being discussed in this series of videos, and this is the highest form of close-up that you get on my smartphone camera, and I am recording it because very little knowledge of its morphology is spread by people on the net. Millions of tons of sardines might have been consumed in Goa, but very less documentation is there on the morphology, and this morphology is extremely important because when we choose sardines, we have to look at their freshness, we have to look at their scales, we have to look at their color, we have to look at their overall. I am randomly now picking up sardines here for recording, and the reason is that let it remain now on the YouTube so that posterity, people will be able to study now these sardines in detail. They are from Arabian Sea, and Arabian Sea has given us lot of economic and ecological stability. Arabian Sea is central to the culture and the history and the economy and the ecology of Goa. Our entire survival depends on Arabian Sea, and that's why these sardines from Arabian Sea are very important for us.